Navigating Toronto's subway system just got a whole lot simpler with your Presto card. Let's dive in. The first step to using your Presto card on the TTC subway is tapping as you enter a station. You'll see these gray card readers, usually near the fare gates. Simply hold your Presto card directly against the reader, you'll hear a beep, and see a green light and a flashing checkmark on the screen, confirming your tap. Now, remember to tap off when you exit. This is crucial for ensuring you're charged the correct fare. Find the readers near the platform escalators or stairs, and repeat the same tapping motion as you did when you entered. Keeping your card funded is easy. You can load money onto your Presto card in several ways. The most convenient is online through the Presto website or the Presto app. Alternatively, you can visit any Presto machine located within subway stations. These machines accept cash or debit for loading funds. To manage your account, set up auto-renewals, or check your transaction history, visit the Presto website. You can even link your card to your email for important notifications. By tapping on and off consistently and keeping your balance topped up, you'll enjoy a seamless commute on the Toronto subway. Happy travels!